computer, early computer, that computer is a very fast calculating machine and perform different operations. Abacus. Abacus was invented in the China 5000 years ago. It was perform simple calculation, addition, subtraction. It was made of wooden frame with roots each having beads. Napier's bone was calculating device. It was invented by Sir John Napier in 1616. It made up rectangular roots from doing calculations, subtractions, multiplications, division, addition. What is doing? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Pascaline. First calculating was invented by French mathematician Blaise Pascal. Jacquard card. Joseph Maria Jacquard devised an automatic weaving system in 1801. Difference engine. Charles Babbage, a British mathematician, is considered as the father of computer. He invented working model of mechanical computer called difference engine in 1822. Analytic engine. The analytic engine in 1833. The analytic engine had 5 units: input, output, store, mill and control. It driven by steam power. How many unit is there? 5. Input, output, store, mill, control. Tabulating machine. A mathematician, Dr. Hermann Hollerith, built a device later known as tabulating machine. First generation 1947 to 56. In the earlier 20th century, its length was about 15 meters. ENIAC, electronic numerical integrated and computer, the most popular computer of this generation. Its weight was approximately 27 tons. Second generation 1956 to 1964. The second generation of computer used transistor in the place of vacuum tubes. What is used? Place of transistor in a place of vacuum tubes. Third generation 1964 to 71. Third generation integrated circuit were used as the main technology in this generation. Magnetic discs were used for the storage. Fourth generation 1971 to 1982. These computers have the extremely large memories. They have improved storage device. What is improved? Storage device. Computer can be linked together so that they can share information. What is the share? Information. Fifth generation 1982 to onwards. They are able to make accurate decision in the true sense. This generation is an age of supercomputer. Characteristics of computer. Characteristics of computer is speed. A computer works very fast and can do large number of calculation quickly as compared to human being. Accuracy refer to the degree of performed to operations performed by computer. Storage. Computer can store very large amount of data and approximate format. Diligence can work for together without any break and without any commenting of computer. First, a computer cannot think and they cannot do any job unless they are first programmed with specific instruction for saying. Number 2, computer cannot decide. Computer are incapable of decision making as they do not process the essential elements necessary to take a decision. Number 3, computer cannot express their ideas. Number 4, no feelings. Computer does not have emotions, knowledge, experience, feelings. Answer the following questions. Question first, what is abacus? Abacus was first mechanical device for calculation development in China. Question number 2, who invented Napier's spoon? Answer, in 1616 John Napier made a calculating device, a set of rectangular roots called Napier's bone. What is the function of Jacquard card? Jacquard card was the first machine that used the interchangeable punch card to obtain the design pattern on the cloth automatically. Question 4, what is 3 characteristics of computer? The 3 characteristics of computer: accuracy, diligence, storage, multitasking. Question 5, write the 3 limitations of computer. The 3 limitations of computer: computer cannot think. Number 2, computer cannot decide it. Number 3, computer cannot express their ideas. Fill in the blanks. First, fill up. Abacus were slightly different from Chinese abacus. Answer, Russian, Japanese. 2, Phillips is now as the father of computer. Answer, Charles Babbage. Number 3, language such as Philip and Philip Fortran were used with the second generation of computer, COBOL Fortran. Number 4, Napier's wand was invented by Sir John Napier. True, false. Abacus was not invented in China. False. Number 2, supercomputer Anurag was not built in India. False. The Files electronics computer was named Mark I. True. The weight of ENIAC was approximately 25 tons. False. Multiple choice. It was considered the first calculating device. Answer, abacus. Second, Napier's wand was invented in the year 1616. Answer. Third, Jacquard card was developed by answer, Joseph Maria Jacquard. Fourth, fifth generation computer are now as answer, laptop. Homework, question answers, write on a copy, draw abacus, learn question answer. Stay home, stay safe, have a good day.